Okay, the Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in the year of 2010 with an intake of 60. The department has well-equipped 10 laboratories, including project lab and 1 department library. The department has qualified and experienced 13 faculty and 6 technical staff, among which 3 are PhD holders and 5 are pursuing PhD and the remaining are MTechs. The department has encouraged faculty to attend various national and international level workshops, faculty development programs, conferences, seminars, to publish research articles in national and international renowned journals to enrich their knowledge. So this enriched knowledge is useful to improve the quality of the students. The department follows the student-centric approaches. The department organizes various workshops, seminars, guest lectures by eminent personalities from industry and academia. The student projects exhibits in various state level programs and won the prizes. So nearly 15 journals are published by our students with the support of faculty. It is the research potential of our students and it will give the lifelong learning to the students. Students have professional society memberships in the Institute of Engineers, Quality Circle Forum of India and Indian Society of Technical Education. So the department has one student association game, that is Geetanjali Association of Mechanical Engineers. Students organize various technical events through professional societies and non-technical events through student associations. So that is Geetanjali Association of Mechanical Engineering. Our alumni working in reputed core industries like Tech Mahindra, Triveni Turbines, Hyundai, Capital Engineering. Our project lab has equipped with 3D printer, pick and place robot, pin-out disc, and in near future they are planning to establish a robotic laboratory in our department. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Murali Krishna, Y, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering since 2013. Today I am going to represent mentoring system in Mechanical Engineering Department. In Mechanical Engineering Department, mentor plays a crucial role to identify the strength and weakness of students and will be solved by taking care personally. We provide counseling for students to enhance good progression of results in their academics. Weekly monitoring reports will be evaluated and sent to their parents. After the semester results are announced, the progress reports will be prepared and sent to respective parents through post. And then students who are having backlogs are identified and remedial classes will be conducted to ensure pass percentage in the respective subject. That's why students find their future in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, Nellore. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Srinivas working as Associate Professor and Assistant HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department of Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. So I am happy to tell about the advanced teaching methodologies that we are following in the college. So conventional way of learning from blackboard teaching is a passive learning, I feel, and we feel it as no more it is an effective tool of learning. We the faculty in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology strongly believe that students learn better through active learning techniques. The prime mode of adopting active learning method is to make the students self-reliant and self-sufficient. In active learning method, students take responsibility in learning process, involved in the activities beyond just listening, such as reading, writing, discussing and solving problems. Active learning techniques including in-class group work, problem-based learning, project-based learning and team-based share strategy, etc. In active learning mode, multiple teaching learning strategies we are using to enhance the cognitive levels of the students. Few such techniques that we are following here are tutorial classes we do. So in tutorials, additional information we will provide apart from the regular teaching, and we have the various type of models available. We try to explain to the students using the models also to make them understand better. We also use the concept of flipped classrooms. So in the flipped classroom method, certain topics of subjects will be given to the students and students will be asked to prepare so they will come prepared on their own. So they will submit a small report on that also, so that their understanding levels also will be enhanced. So we take them, these students, to industrial visits also to make them to understand concepts better. So more practical orientation they will get about the So mechanical systems and mechanical. Yes, we also take the students to industrial visits. Minimum each section of the students will be taken for 2 industrial visits. So every year, so that we give more practical exposure to the students also. Therefore, their understanding levels also will be better further. So we also adopt the technique e-brevin. This is not a library, it is e-brevin, where on emerging technologies topics will be given to the students and students will be asked to prepare on their own. So on the same topic, separate questionnaire will be prepared and the students will be asked to go through a test also on the content what they have understood. So in this concept of e-brevin. So if the students have scored more than 50% of the marks in the questionnaire that we have prepared, so we assume that the student has understood the concept better in that emerging area. So same way we also regularly conduct the seminars for better understanding of the students, and even we ask the students to prepare their posters on various emerging topics in the mechanical department, and so the ability of expressing the concept also will be improved upon. So we ask the students even to take up few mini projects so that they can implement their ideas and convert them into products. So we also make the students to learn. So by doing the experiments also, by taking them to labs or nearby industries also, so that I strongly feel and I also feel proud that active learning certainly will make the students to improve their overall performance. So we are proud to be the part of this implementation of active learning in Geethanjali Institute of Science and Technology. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Padma and I am from one of the largest engineering colleges of Nellore, the Geethanjali. I chose mechanical engineering because I had keen interest in automobile and machinery right from my childhood. I was amazed by the fascinating infrastructure of the campus and the labs of mechanical engineering. The Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering program at Geethanjali has exactly been what I wanted. I have been a part of Geethanjali family for more than 3 years now, and I am extremely happy for the contributions of the college, which enriched my future and helped me to reach new heights. There are several perks of being a mechanical engineering student at Geethanjali. We were provided with plenty of resources that improve our technical skills. We have different labs like automobile engineering lab, CAD/CAM lab, thermal engineering lab, etc., which are spread over an ample area with magnificent machinery. We were provided the access to several internationally renowned journals and professional societies like the IST, QCFI, Institution of Engineers, etc. Unique teaching methodologies were followed by our faculty. They made sure that we understand the concept in depth. And the most exciting thing being in Geethanjali is that here in Geethanjali, we have the faculty who have excellent industry expertise. And my favorite thing is the way in which our faculty give us brainstorming creative research ideas to solve the problems in all sorts of engineering domains. Frequent guest lectures were organized by the management in the areas of swiftly advancing technologies like additive manufacturing, which helped me to complete my project in medical application using additive manufacturing. Constant mentoring and support was always there from the faculty to make sure that we don't lose the confidence and hope. We were encouraged to participate in external guest lectures, in external projects, exhibitions, tech fests, and conferences, which helped us to improve our public speaking capabilities. I am grateful for all the knowledge and support of my professors that has helped me into a complete profession. I am Spurgeon and I work as a research engineer at Hyundai Research Center, Hyderabad.